welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to show you two Amazon KDP low competition, high demand niches. We're going to discuss the two niches. I'm going to show you where to get the interiors from, and we're also going to talk about how to add extra value in order to increase rankings and increase sales as well, not only for these two niches but for your other books as well. So let's have a look at the first niche for the day, which is a bucket list travel destination journal for couples, and it has a keyword niche score of 43 and an average price of $11.49. It's currently received a keyword niche score of 43 using the self-publishing Titans Chrome extension, which is available for free. And it's also received a number 9 green light right here, a great niche by the Amazon Scout Chrome extension as well. So we've got two types of verifications. We've also got the bestseller rank of 167,364, which is the average bestseller rank right now, and also a couple of books that are listed as bestsellers that are not sponsored, which is amazing. It's also an indication that this is a profitable niche. And I want you just to look at the niche right now: bucket list travel destination journal for couples. You can niche down to whatever travel destination you want. You can create a general bucket list journal, but make it specific for couples. You can also have one for Europe, you can have one for America, whatever country, and it would also be a bonus if you have it for your own country as well, because then you'll be able to talk about your own experience and have special worksheets. Or if you want to go to the easy route, then you could easily go ahead and just copy this title or keyword right over here, head over to Creative Fabrica, which is my go-to for KDP interiors, and I do have a subscription for it, but there's a lot of other benefits to that. So if nothing came up, you can simply go ahead and write the removing for journals, and let's see here what we have. So we've just clicked on, or we just typed in bucket list travel destination. We have a complete digital planner, digital travel planner right here, and we have also a KDP interior that is editable right here as well. Now you can easily just go ahead and download that and upload it to Canva, change it around, insert, for example, how to use section, insert a section for them to kind of note in any sort of information, some line sheets in between, make it unique, change around the fonts, change around adding elements, take out elements, make it unique, and upload it to Amazon KDP. Now in terms of increasing the value, I would highly recommend for you to insert content. Even though it is a low content book that you are creating, which is basically a travel journal and travel planner, then I would highly recommend you to take that extra initiative and take that extra step to insert content, whether that is relevant to the area, whether that is relevant to any sort of travel advice, even though it's just general common sense travel advice. That's can be used anywhere. For example, how to be safe while traveling, how to negotiate prices safely, for example, how to get the how to organize your travel wisely before traveling, anything that helps to make the traveling process easier for couples. You can insert it right here. You can even have a checklist as well. Anything to add value apart from these worksheets that we are looking at right now. Now let's have a look at the second niche for the day, which actually got me quite amazed, and I do have a couple of similar niches that I would like to discuss in future videos. And this is about the sticker collection of books for kids aged 4 to 8, and it has a current keyword niche score of 43 and a total results a little bit on the higher end, which is 1,451 and an average price of $7.98. Now what got me really excited about this niche here, the sticker collection book niches, is that you're actually designing a book that is super easy. It'll take you just a few minutes to design, where it's actually going to be blank inside. You can surround it by a little border, you can have a little header on top, you can have a little note on the side, but it's basically blank apart from the border or apart from any other element that you're going to insert. It is basically a book that has blank sheets for children ages 4 to 8 to insert their stickers in, so that they don't need to stick their stickers all over the walls, and it'll be a fuss for parents and caregivers to have to remove these stickers. They could have a little book that is their sticker collection book, and they will be directed to, whenever they want to use their stickers, they'll be directed to paste their stickers into the book itself, rather than all around the house and cause a mess that way. So I like it because it's easy, and we have to keep in mind, when it comes to these kind of books, sketchbooks, line books, sticker collection books, you are actually needed to put a great emphasis on the cover, because the cover is what will sell, not the inside of the book. The inside of the book in most cases will be blank, apart from the header or that little mini element right there, but the majority of the sales will be made from the cover itself. You want to create a cover that is specifically for children aged 4 to 8, for toddlers, for preschoolers. You want to create a very cute cover, such as, let's just have a look here. We've got this book right here, My Awesome Sticker Book, and is currently having a BSR of 266,498 and an astounding 4.4 out of 5, and 144 people have taken the initiative and put in the time and effort to put a rating and a review for this wonderful, super simple, easy book to do. And one thing that really surprised me, which was a great bestseller, it is this one. And I found it while searching for other keywords that are related to the sticker collection, the blank sticker collection book. And this is basically a My Sticker collection. What really got me interested in it is the cover really stands out. They're using glitter as an overlay for the heading, and also they're using emojis or little mini stickers, sticking them onto the actual cover, with a background, a very enticing background. And I did open it up just so we could see what is inside, and it's selling quite well, sitting at 32,415. So I'm just opening it up right now, and we want to go ahead and have a look to see what makes this book stand out, and what made it really get the sales that it did, because it is a blank sticker. So one thing that I did notice is that the product description was very unique. It was very interesting, and it was different to the other books under the sticker collection. So it says here, for parents, it's no fun trying to remove these tiny bit of stickers and that sticky residue left behind when your kid decides to turn the wall and furniture into their own personal sticker art gallery. And it says, bypass the hassle, give your kid little interior designer their own space to decorate to their heart's content. So it's highlighting a problem that parents face, which is children sticking stickers all over the walls and creating a mess and a fuss. And it's getting straight to the point and offering a solution. What is the solution? This blank sticker book, they say. This blank sticker book has 120 blank pages just waiting to be filled with your child's or kids' favorite stickers. They will love having their own special book to decorate, and you'll love not having to scrape sticker residue off all over the house. So it's a bonus. It's a win-win situation here. Any parent reading this and they're suffering from having to clean the walls from stickers and having to argue with their child over please don't stick this on the wall, they would really feel spoken to in this product description right here. And this is what we want to be special about, not just with this niche, the sticker collection book, but with any of our niches that we need to highlight the problem, offer the solution straight away. Just be very direct and very enticing by offering the solution to the problem that we've just highlighted. And this really has helped as well. Now the A+ collection, A+ content right here is also beautifully designed, and you can easily design that in Canva and also on smart mockups, where you'll be able to place your book just like this, for example, with a model child's holding the book itself and using the book as well. So it's currently ranked in crafts for children, children's arts, music and photography, and also in children's activity books as well. And it has reviews right over here. So this is a wonderful niche. We've talked about two niches today, which is the sticker collection book for kids aged 4 to 8 and our second niche for the day, which is a bucket list travel destination journal for couples. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, like, share and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.